Hello YouTubers, Merry Christmas and welcome to Day 2 of Season 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas Cars diecasts. Today we're going to take a look at the holiday variants of Luigi and Guido. Before we get right into the review and the retrospective, let's start with the unboxing first. Here we've got the Cars logo, the metal logo, the snowflakes, and the Radiator Springs background, and the desert background, all covered in snow. They're diecast sealed in. The names Luigi and Guido on their packaging, the Mattel logo. And on the back, we've got the Cars logo, and the snowflakes, and the cars shown on the back are the Snowmobile, Snow Day Sally, Lightning McQueen with Snowplow, who I unfortunately don't have, Ramon with the Snowflakes, who I unfortunately don't have, Decked Out Doc Hudson, who I recorded previously, Weehoo Winter Mater, who I unfortunately don't have, and Sarge with Holiday Roof Lights, who I will show another day. 2020 Mattel, made in Vietnam, Disney/Pixar, Chevrolet, Porsche, Fiat, Hudson Hornet, Jeep, which are copyrighted, the RSN logo, RSN, Racing Sports Network, the Mattel logo, empowering the next generation through play. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the unboxing. Here we have Luigi and Guido all opened up and out of the package. In the Christmas-themed Cars book, Matersaveschristmas, Luigi and Guido were seen at Flo's Vieille Cafe when they were shocked to hear from Sheriff that the fuels, oils, and antifreezes were stolen by you-know-who. Yep, you guessed it. It was Chick Hicks and the Tuners, Boost, Wingo, DJ, and Snotrod. And later on in the book, Luigi and Guido even gave Lightning McQueen a set of snow tires. Then later on, they were amongst the group of townies when Sheriff came up with a plan to catch the thieves, and they were appointed as scouts. They even assisted Fillmore and Sarge as well. They were also seen held captive by Chick Hicks and the Tuners back in Radiator Springs, when Chick Hicks declared that if nobody wanted the presents, if he couldn't have the presents, then nobody would. And during their diecast releases, they were released twice one time in a multi-pack and as a single for 2021. And now, without any further ado, let's dig right into the review. We're going to start off with Luigi. Here we've got his joyful facial expression, his yellow exterior paintwork, the Fiat logo for the mustache, which is copyrighted, the circular headlights, front bumper, and a red, white, and green fedora, which represents the colors of their original hometown of Italy. And on both sides we've got his door, the side view mirrors, and the white wall tires, which are Luigi's favorite type of tires. And on the back side we've got the red taillights and the hood at the very back. And the exhaust pipe, the license plate saying 445-10B. And on the undercarriage it says Disney/Pixar, made in Vietnam, Fiat, Mattel. And now we're going to try Guido. Here we've got his blue exterior paintwork, and his arms, and the red and the scarf and winter hat, which are both red and white, and the present, which is blue. And as you can see here, the present is retractable. And here we have Guido with a shiny, happy expression, with the shiny white teeth. On both sides we've got the greenish blue on the fenders, with a bit of snowflakes. And on the back we've got the exhaust pipe. And on the undercarriage it says Disney/Pixar, made in Vietnam, Mattel. And that is it. And now let's pull up some of the other Luigi and Guido variants. We have normal Luigi and Guido, Cars 2 Luigi and Guido, or alias Race Team Luigi and Guido, and Mummy Luigi and Ghost Guido, which I had recorded 2 months ago. And some more Christmas themed cars. We have Holiday Hotshot Lightning McQueen and Decked Out Doc Hudson. And that is it. So what do you guys think? Which variant of Luigi and Guido is your favorite? For me, I personally mine's personally regular Luigi and Guido, because they have been receiving many releases for the past years. And which Christmas themed car is your favorite as well? And which car should I record for day 3 tomorrow? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below or on the voting poll in the community tab. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for day 3 tomorrow, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas. Goodbye now!